Sometimes what happens, we make easy things difficult for us. You know how? By romanticizing our problem. Same thing we are doing with this language also. Many of us, we focus on problems. That I'm unable to think in English, I'm unable to speak this language fluently, I am not good at speaking this language, I make a lot of mistakes, so on and on. My friend, if you stop doing this thing and you start thinking that you have improved a little bit or you are improving every single day, you will see that drastic change in you. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I have noticed many people, they always talk negative. They say that my English is not good. How can I talk to people? I make a lot of mistakes. My grammar is not good. Though they speak well. And that is why somewhere they are stuck. They are unable to improve this language fast way. But my friend, if you want to improve this language fast way, if you want to get fluency, then start thinking about positive points. I'm not saying completely ignore your negative point. Yes, we should keep one side and sometimes we should reflect on them and work on them. But most of the time, think about positive things. That earlier you are unable to speak, but now you are able to speak little bit, right? And that's how your mind will help you to improve this language. What we do, if you think negative, in one way you are criticizing your mind ability, So say that I'm able to learn things quickly. I'm able to speak this language. I don't make a lot of mistakes. I don't make mistakes at all. So you are helping your mind. You are favoring your mind, okay? So once you favor your mind, it will favor you back, okay? So just keep saying that I have wonderful mind. I can speak this language and I'm good at speaking English language. Say positive and you will see that your English will start improving. But yeah, these all are not the everything. This is the one thing. Other thing you have to practice, right? We can't deny the fact that this language completely depends on practice. Speaking practice, listening practice, reading practice. So, do you practice every single day? This is the question for you. If you practice every single day, listening practice, reading practice, talking practice, then your English will definitely improve. It's not that hard. Why I'm saying this thing? Because I'm able to speak this language. You can see I'm from village area, right? Though I speak this language fluently. How? If this language is very hard, then how come I can speak this language? I'm not supposed to speak this language when it is very, very difficult. No, my friend, it's not that difficult. And that is why I'm able to speak this language. And not only me. There are many people in this world. They just tried, they practiced, they thought positive, and that's why nowadays they are speaking this language. Not only about this language, but anything if you want to achieve, just think positive, that you can do it, you are capable of, or you can do anything in your life like that. Just think positive, okay? How did I get this all knowledge that we should think positive, we should be positive if we want to improve English language or achieve anything in our life? My friend, there is one thing that helped me a lot, that is reading books. Yes, you heard me right. So if you want to learn many things at a time, start reading books and talk to people also. Yes, we can't deny the fact we learn a lot of things from the people when we listen them, when we talk to them, right? So if it's possible, then try to approach people, those who are good at. Let's suppose if someone is speaking very well English language, if you get the chance to speak with native speaker or Indian speaker or anyone, just approach them, talk to them and ask them that how I can learn this language. They may give you the best suggestion, okay? So this is how we can solve our problem. And coming to fluency, don't worry, just practice. I told you, practice is everything. Practice is key to speak this language. You might be thinking how I can practice. There are many ways. You can search some app. You might be getting a lot of advertisement on your YouTube, on Insta, on Facebook that use this app and speak this language. They are real. Use any of them and start improving this language. Start talking to people. This is a language and we can learn it by listening, by talking, and yeah, if you can read, then by reading also. But if you only read and don't talk to anyone and don't listen, then you will be not able to speak this language confidently. Yeah, you will have a lot of knowledge, you will have a lot of vocabulary, but if you want to speak this language fluently, then you need to talk. You must talk to someone. My friend, I remember when I had started learning English language, nothing was clear. I had only one desire to speak this language. Apart from that one, I didn't know anything. So I started listening. I started figuring out things. I started learning grammar, talking to people. I was also wandering here and there like you. Once again, I'm saying to you, it's not very hard to speak this language. You need to think this is a language and anyone can speak this language. Everyone has right to speak, right? And no one is stopping you. It's your hard work that will make you speak this language. And you don't have to give hours and hours. Just give 15 minutes if you can. And it will take at least 1 year maybe or 6 months. I cannot guarantee you. It totally depends on your practice. No one can guarantee you. If I say that I will make you speak this language within 3 months or within 2 months or within 1 week, so I'm not being honest to you because it's not possible. How can I make someone to speak this language within 1 week, within 3 months or within 6 months? It completely depends on you. If you are ready to do hard work, then definitely you will be able to speak this language. Because when I started learning this language, no one guaranteed me. No one told me that, Anita, I'll make you speak this language within 1 year or within 1 week. No, nobody told me. I started learning this language on my own and now I speak. Yeah, it took time, but I learned on my own and I feel proud on that one. Not proud, but I feel happy. So this is the thing, my friend. If you want to learn this language, think positive. Always think that you can speak this language or you are already speaking this language. No one is perfect, first of all. Don't chase perfectionism. No one is perfect here. Start roughly. Start whatever you know. You will start learning. But if you are stuck, if you are not trying to learn new things, then you will remain stuck. Okay? So start learning things, because once you learn, things will start adding and you will get idea how to speak this language fluently and so many things. I hope this video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.